Imagine having a tour guide and a salesperson that worked 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, that was able to take your prospective buyers, guests, or tenants around your property, wherever they may come from. And they could also book directly through this tour. Sounds crazy, right? But no, this is all possible with a virtual tour. But what exactly is a virtual tour, and how can it help out your business? Let's find out. A virtual tour is an immersive digital experience that allows users to explore a location remotely through interactive 360-degree photos. Unlike traditional photos or videos, virtual tours provide a dynamic, panoramic view of a space, enabling users to navigate through different areas as if they were physically present. These tours can be self-guided or interactive, with clickable elements, informational pop-ups, and even audio to enhance the experience. So with that being said, if your business utilizes a physical space, virtual tours are a must. The first and most obvious reason why is that they allow people to explore the space and can answer any questions they may have. And like we said earlier, you now have a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week tour guide and salesperson for your property. Second, virtual tours are much more interactive than photos and videos. So the more a prospective buyer, customer, or client gets to interact with your property or brand, the more likely they're going to build a relationship with you, and therefore they're more likely to book. That's a lot of more likelies. Virtual tours have certain features that you probably don't know about. Within a virtual tour, you can also add 2D videos and photos, allowing more depth, providing more value, and being able to answer more questions. You can also add a voiceover, where you point out the best places to look out for on the virtual tour. This would be great for helping people get around the tour. And they can get to know you through the sound of your voice. But the best and most important feature that you should know about is that people can make purchases directly through the virtual tour. For instance, let's say you are a hotel. You can add a button where the customer can purchase a room directly through the virtual tour. Crazy, right? You can embed a virtual tour directly onto your website, or you can just send a link to a really warm lead. So they're very shareable as well. So how do your prospects even access the virtual tour? Contrary to popular belief, you do not need a VR headset to take a virtual tour. Virtual tours can be experienced on mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. So something you can consider is having a premiere of your virtual tour, which is something I'm going to cover in another video. But again, a good virtual tour is device agnostic. Now, who is actually using virtual tours? Right now, real estate is the main industry that's taking advantage of this great technology. Other industries that utilize virtual tours include the hospitality industry, the travel and tourism industry, and of course, education. So that's what virtual tours have to offer. If you want to take a virtual tour right now, just click the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'm going to see you on our next video.